You already have an application on the market, or you are about to launch yours. Probably, when you considered the need to create an application, you did so thinking of using it as a method of generating revenue. Indeed, applications can be a source of profit, either because it complements and enhances the activity of your company, or because it is able to generate them by itself. For example, your app can be a store and sell products, or your application can attract customers and sell complementary products to the content that appears in the app. You can also offer such interesting content or functionality in your app that it can be sold in app stores. Probably the most common way to generate profits in an application is the insertion of advertising that earns revenue each time one of your users click. In this chapter, we'll show how to insert ads using Google's AdMob platform. To do this, go back to the Builder and go to the Services section. Click on Add Services and search for Google AdMob. Once added, we see that it will be necessary to configure it to work. To do this, we will have to fill in all these fields. Let's go to Google AdMob, which we can find by searching in Google. When you enter, we'll have to log in. We can do this using our Google account or create a specific one to manage our advertising profile. When we enter the platform, we see the main screen that gives us a summary of the results that our apps are getting. Let's go to the Applications and Add Application. When we access, we will be asked if our app is already available in the store. Since we consider that you have not yet published it, we click on No. It will ask us to enter the data of our application, title and platform. For AdMob, our Android app and iOS are considered different apps, so we'll have to create a new one for each operating system. I will indicate Android Wild Animals and check the box Android and Add. Now, in creating block of ads, we will need to complete the process to be able to fill the fields banner and interstitial. First, click on Select Banner. In the next window, in the ads name, we can put Android Wild Animals banner, create ads block, and ready. We will appear in this window, located inside Applications, Wild Animals, Ads block. To create the interstitial block, we click on Add and Ads block, and now we choose that category. We will call it Interstitial Android Wild Animals. Click on Create Ads block. We will repeat the whole process for iOS, but at the time of indicating the operating system in which it will be published, you will have to choose Apple's. The configuration is exactly the same. Create your blocks of interstitial ads and banner. Once we had the 4 blocks ready and to complete the configuration in our builder, we will have to paste there the ID of each type of ad. We copy from the clipboard of the banner for Android, pressing here and go to the builder in the configuration of the AdMob service to paste it in the builder. We do the same with the interstitial and the rest of ad blocks, copy and paste. To finish, let's save to confirm the configuration of our service. Once we save, compile and publish, our ads will begin to show in the 2 formats we've added. Return frequently to the AdMob main panel to analyze the performance of your ads and the revenue your apps are reporting to you.